Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. Go on Edge panel. As you can see here, all the applications are showing. No ruler is showing here. Go in settings, scroll down, go in display, again scroll down, go in Edge panels, tap on panels, slide, simply select the tools from here, go home. Now let's check it out. As you can see here, all the applications are showing. Now I will slide. As you can see here, compass is showing. Tap on three dots, select the ruler from here. As you can see here, ruler is showing. Here you get centimeter and calibrate. If you tap on centimeter, here centimeter is showing. If you tap on inches, here inches is showing. If you want to maximize and minimize, then simply tap on calibrate. You can simply maximize it by doing like this and minimize it by doing like this. Tap on done. This is how you can use built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.